this is the third video of this series. I really had to remove the disc, the brake disc. It has these screws, and then I have removed all of these screws that were placed around this part, and now this easily gets off. Right, this gets out, and we can now quite easily access the tire and also the rubber chamber. I don't know exactly the name of it, but this is what we have to either fix or replace. This is the I'll try to remove it right now. Right, so this comes off, and that's it. That's what we need to do. Okay, so I'll go on with this repair, and I'll place the next video. Bye bye.